What is up, YouTube? It's 1660 MX Boys back at it again with the 2020 bike check. So before I forget, the wheels are the Vanduro, Odyssey hazard light, toothpaste, Odyssey front hub female. Same with the back, just the Odyssey clutch. Left-hand drive this time. No more right-hand drive for this guy. Frame S&M BTM 21. BTM logo. That S&M symbol. Alright. Animal top load stem. Animal headset bearings. Very sad that they're fucking blue. Then we got the old forks right here. These were purchased in 2011. The Odyssey Direct forks. The old ones that look like they're bent, but they're actually golden. Then we got the S&M 4-piece fuck you bars. The FU bars. Fucking pretty. The Wild Hog Pink. It's kind of like a soft cotton candy. It's fucking beautiful. Then we got the Shadow Killer cranks. The 175s. Have left-hand drive now. That's the Shadow something bash guard, 28 tooth. It says right here. Yeah, the Shadow. I have Shadow on Shadow. Then I have the Sabrosa. Oh shit. Fucking guys in the way and shit. Dumbass. Got the Sabrosa bottom bracket, 22mm. Is there really any other way to go? Then we got the KMC chain. Oh, I need to tighten you up, bitch. The KMC chain, just standard black. I was gonna do a colored chain, but wasn't sure what color. Then we got the Shadow pegs on both sides. Just one white, one rusted. Just pretty fucking light. But that's my 2020 bike check. Hope it doesn't seem like shit. And the old school fucking 10% my ass. The S&M Park Ranger sticker in the front. Fucking love this build up, man. Oh, and then the Odyssey JCPC pedals. Fucking love those pedals. So the only thing that's still on my bike besides that wasn't stock, or that wasn't on my last build, let me rephrase that. The only parts that are left on this bike from my last build is the stem, the fucking pedals, the cranks, the bottom bracket bearing, the pegs, and the grips, and the par ends. Oh, and the seat. I don't know why, but I fucking like this seat. Stiff as shit, but it's fucking comfortable. But I'm gonna see if I can attempt to do a fucking trick. 'Cause the last time I tried doing that, I ate shit, but that's good. That's fucking great, huh? See everything, you stupid fucker.
Oh, there's two. You little guy.
Shout out the puppies. That's the 2020 bike check. If you actually like what I post, or if you would like me to post more videos of other shit than just my bike checks, or of me actually riding my bike and doing tricks, let me know in the comment section, and your boy will start posting videos of him riding. Peace.